19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20, 19, bring it 20 more, 20, bring it over, 2, 20, bring it 2, 20, bring it 2.
What it do, YouTube? And a quick shout out to all my vets. Keep moving forward. As you can see, we're on this site here. We're gonna try to buy another truck. The truck I want is this one right here. All right. It's a Kenworth 2016 Kenworth W900, and they're currently on 546. Truck looks like this. It's a pretty good looking truck. All right. I'm also looking at a couple of reefers. 2013 for 15. I'm pretty sure it's going to go up. I'm also looking at this one here, starting at that. So if you're on this page and you're in the trucking business, I wish you luck. I wish myself luck. Let's go get it, y'all.